It's release day of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and right now I'm just wrapping up the video of the first flight, so it's ready to be released when the embargo is being sort of lifted in 1.5 hours from now. I've been invited by the Danish distributor droner.dk to join them on their release event, but the fun part is that I actually have the drone already, so it will not be much of a surprise for me, but it's always nice to hang out with people from the industry and other YouTubers, Danish YouTubers that are joining this event to see what's going down. So I thought yesterday, what should I do? What should I not do? Should I just take in there and sit there and just have a fun time? Or should I actually try to vlog the event? This is something that I wanted to do for a long period of time, is actually to do a little bit more than just tutorials and all that stuff. So I ran out and purchased a GoPro 12 yesterday, just 10 minutes before closing. And I managed to get that one up running, so I hope everything works. It's per recommendation from a good friend, Sean Oz, that said that I could actually use this camera and I could use the audio directly produced by the camera. So what an excellent opportunity to go in there and see if we can vlog this event by using the GoPro 12. Just as a beginner, I haven't had a GoPro since the Hero 7, so it'll be super interesting to see if any of this footage is going to be useful for anything. So I scheduled the video now, so let's wrap everything up and get on our way. I still have maybe a little bit of a 40 minutes drive before I arrive on the location. So why a GoPro 12 and not a Osmo Action 4? I might end up picking that one up as well, but I have for a long period of time actually wanted to maybe expand the content a little bit here on the channel, and I have been using the original Osmo Action for a lot of my videos that you have been watching here on the channel, and that camera is maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 years old now, and I thought it was time to do an upgrade. And if I look at the potential audience that would watch videos made by the Osmo Action compared to sort of the GoPro Hero 12 Black, that's a much wider audience. So I thought it could be fun to pick up those cameras, as they are more or less equal in performance, at least pick up the GoPro and see if I could catch the interest of you and maybe future viewers on the channel of this camera. There's no doubt one of the things that is really important to me with this new camera upgrade is the microphone quality. That I would be able to use the camera directly, like we are driving here. That I would be able to use the camera directly without having to use a lapel microphone or something like that, and the audio will be good enough for that. That has been a really important factor for me. And GoPro makes good products, so why not try that? And maybe, as I said, if I need an additional camera, I might pick up the Osmo Action 4 as well. Maybe I can convince DJI to send me one. So it'll be interesting to see how this vlog pans out. So right now it looks like I'm in okay time for the event, so I can get a chance to film a little bit of the store before the event actually takes place. I don't know if I'm allowed to film during the event. Let's see when we get there. So I am arrived on location, so now I will take down the camera and I will mount it on this tripod. And for some reason my extended stick has been lost here in the process, and I can't really mess around with it because I don't want to reveal anything here. So okay, it needs to go on this, so see you in a second. Here it was. Nice to see. Så kan du sige hej.
Hej, hej.
Say hi to my audience.
Yeah?
I'm going to vlog this event. So.
That, yeah, good. Do that.
Alt det. So, 2 camera guys. Shoot off. So, the avatar. This is something that I should definitely get my hands on at some point. And this is the first generation of the FPV. And the goggles. See, it's done ready. It's ready here for the event. It's a very, very nice room. So, let's see what we have here. We have a classic. We have the Pro with the triple camera setup. We have the Air 3. So I have this one, and I have this one. But still not had a chance to fly this one. So here's the competitor. The Action 4, Action 3, Action 2, and the DJI Mini. Jeg har lige købt kamera i går, mand.
GoPro. Du må ikke have GoPro herinde.
Nej, jeg tænker på det.
Hvorfor ikke GoPro?
So all the mini drones. So the Mini 3 Pro. And the Mini 3. And the old Mini 2. So, to the Mini 2 SE. The Spire 3. Nice. That's one big ass remote. So, the company is called droner.dk, and they are basically the official Danish distributor of DJI products, and this is why they can have such a nice place.
Skal vi lige sende den rundt, så folk kan hænge sammen.
So now they're bringing out the good stuff. It's a crazy machine. Flying lawnmower.
55 minutes of flight time.
Nice. And it's a Matrice 350, you said? No. Oh, it's cheap.
The wrong price.
Another one. Det var den, der var 30'erne, eller hvad? Det er MT30. So, that was it. Very, very nice event. Got to talk to a lot of interesting people. So, also got the chance to fly the drone indoor, which was super cool. It's actually pretty cool that it's capable of doing it. So, let's just go to car. So, how about that? So it was really, really cool to be part of this event, and I got a few good contacts that I'm going to exploit a little bit later. I also got a chance to talk to a lady directly from DJI, and that was also very fun. There was some funny stories exchanged there with her sort of premiere by flying the drone inside Copenhagen. I will wrap everything up and go home and see whatever results I got on the first video that I released about this drone. I normally struggle a lot with the release videos because all of the bigger channels, they are sort of grabbing the attention of the YouTube algorithm. So it's really hard for me to make my initial videos perform. This shouldn't hold me back from releasing some of the other videos that I have planned for you guys. And I don't know when this one will make it online, but nevertheless, I've included all the videos that I made about the Mini 4 Pro and included those in this playlist. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.